Glue, glue. So here we got our eggs. This one is larger and this one's smaller. I'm guessing this is something for Easter because Mr. Easter Bunny is there. And this thing is 150 grams. And this tiny, tiny one is just 20 grams. That's like 80 plus 50, 130 or more grams than this. And these two are both peanut free. So people with peanut allergies can eat this. So first let me open it and then let me show you the size. Right, let's start. Big one. Oh my god. Did they tape it? Looks like I broke it, but I don't care. This is how it looks, and let's keep unwrapping it. Oh my gosh. That's out now. Oh my gosh. This is the egg. So I already told you guys to weigh 150 and 20. Now it's time to measure it. So it's about 2.5 inches. And this bad boy is about 6 inches. So let's open it. Ta-da. There we go. So this is how both of them look. This one takes up the whole thing. And this one's like so small. This one could literally crush this one. So let me open it. Ta-da! Alright. It's so hard. Oh my god. Oh god! So these are the differences. This one has a mega bottle and this one has a small bottle. This one has a mega shovel, this one has a small shovel. I'm gonna eat this chocolate later, but first, the surprise! Right. Oh my god, I need my teeth. Oh my god. I got this! Yo, what is this thing? Oh, this guy has a key. Oh, it's like a tiger fighter. A guy who fights tigers. Ooh, he has a... Ooh, it's so cool. This is the action figure I'm gonna build. So, let's build it. So let's place everything on. There we go. And then we got his stick on the back. That. Like how he looks here. And he has a tiger mask, or you can make it a shield. So here's the way you put it on his mask. And he puts it as a shield also. And he's gone. He's amazing! This is the other way you can place his shield and action figure thing. I can do it in one bite. Ooh, it's an elephant. Oh, this time it's a hippo. These are both of the toys. As you see, this one's way smaller compared to this one. One thing I forgot to mention is that there's this app which you can download. It's called Applaydu, and then you scan this QR code. This one's number 46, and you can play with the character. Download the Applaydu app. You can play on it and do lots of fun things. Let's find out who my character is. Oh, look, there's an AR mode. Oh, that's my character. Ooh, there's a chest. As a fun fact about this app, you can make your story and play games. I'm going to play a Chase Ace. So, there's another thing where you can make your own face. Oh, it's me. Hello. Ooh. I've done as mask.
Thanks for watching, and also show your support by subscribing my channel and also following me on Facebook and Instagram. Bye bye.